Hi, Scott Doolan here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to do a brief walkthrough on a Harris 230 Solaris. So the Solaris is a trim level right below the Intrigue. Really nicely laid out, nice LED lights. That's the one thing people always bring up about these boats. This is another one over here, but you can see how the LED lighting runs along that middle D-rail. So looks really good. 23 foot. 250 horsepower Mercury on it. Because of the middle PTX log that Premier uses, you're not going to find another 23-foot boat with this kind of horsepower that'll get any kind of performance even close to what this thing will do. It's really impressive. If you can see the PTX log, extra wide flat running surface on the bottom gives you a lot of lift, gives you incredible performance and really good ride. One of the things I love on the back, this boat does have a ricochet ladder on it. So this ladder, instead of lifting it up manually, you just leave it down, and as you drive the boat forward, the force of the water hits the ladder and it'll automatically bring it up, so you don't have to worry about bringing your ladder up or forgetting it anymore. So really nicely done. Really stout ski tow bar with built-in lighting built into it. Really nice touch. Looks great. This one already comes with a Vantage pontoon wrap on the outside. Give it a really good look. Matching black logs to the black hammered outside. So let's go upside and take a look inside. All right, so starting back here at the transom end of the boat, wraparound seating. This is a center walkthrough with second captain seat floor plan. Really popular, seats a lot of people. That's one of the things people really like about this. Here you can see the LED light that is brought from the outside. This one on the inside will have LED lights in the speakers and underneath the seat bases. JL audio system with built-in amplifiers. Nice big JL subwoofer. Wireless cell phone charging ports around the boat. Really nice nice touch. Moving up towards the helm, twin captain seats. They're high back, they're comfortable, they look good. 7-inch Simrad screen, wireless cell phone charging port, control here for your LED lights. Like all the other Premiers, raised helm standard, really popular. Also, because of the size of that middle log, it gives you extra buoyancy, which also increases the capacity of this boat. This is a 23-foot boat that's rated for 17 people or just over 2,300 pounds. Most 25-foot pontoon boats from other manufacturers will not seat this amount of people. So really great seating and capacity. It's a direct result of that oversized middle log. As you can see, double bimini top. The back half of this bimini is powered, so it is push button. This part over here is manual, but super easy to lay down. Oversized ski locker, nice and long, comes back to about here. Wider opening than you see from a lot of other brands. Really easy to get water skis, wakeboards, fishing poles, all that kind of stuff down, in, and out. Wraparound seating around the front, with enough deck space to easily get off the front of the boat. Pop-up dock cleats also on this model, so really nicely done. This is a great boat. If you have any questions about it or any of the others, pick up the phone, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.